Now, we're all very familiar with the term time management, and this is the term that we often use to describe productivity and making the most of our time, but really it's a misnomer or the wrong term to be using. Now, as far as I know, unfortunately, time travel's yet to be invented, nor is there a giant pause button following us around where we can actually stop time whenever we'd like. And whether we like it or not, each minute is only made up 60 seconds and each week 168 hours. And those are going to pass us by at the same speed no matter what we do. And in reality, when we're talking about time management, what we really should be talking about is self-management. Because the one and only thing that we have 100% total control over is what we do and how we manage that time. I hear my clients say things all the time like, I don't have enough time, there's not enough time in the day, or man, I wish I could just make more time. And you can wish all you want, but that's going to be a crutch that's going to keep you stuck exactly where you are. Now, my suggestion is don't wish you had more time. Instead, wish that you had better self-management, better systems, better tactics, better habits, and probably most importantly, better execution on the stuff that you already know how to do and actually put into play what you already know you should be doing but aren't doing. These are the things that really make a difference, and these are the things that you have 100% total control over. Time's the great equalizer. You and I have just as much time each day, each week, and each year as the President of the United States or a CEO of a Fortune 500 company. But here's the thing. If you don't know how to manage yourself, if you don't know how to set up and actually consistently use the right systems, it wouldn't matter if you could make more time up here. You wouldn't be able to fully take advantage of that extra time. So I'm going to encourage you right from the start to instill a new belief. And it's not about time management, it's about self-management and making the most of the time that you already have. Because if you do make the most of that time that you already do have, you're going to double and triple the results that you're getting now. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in these remaining lectures. And you have the power, but it all starts with you. So this lecture leads off this section for a reason, because I can give you all the coolest tips, tricks, strategies, tactics, principles, concepts, but it all begins with you and your management of whatever system and processes that you put in place. So now that we've got that out of the way, on to the next lecture.